Hey guys, Paul here with Car Spec Garage. If you're like me, I can't find anything in all of my tool drawers here from sockets to pliers to whatever it is. And I like to be efficient in my garage as I'm working on projects like this 67 Alpha Giulia GT Veloce. I've got a solution. Olsa Tools sent me over some magnetic aluminum emblems. Let's talk about those. All right, guys. So as we just mentioned, organizing your tool chest is important for efficiency, as you know, when you're working on car projects like I do on our channel, or anything that you might do automotive related or whatever, that you have a tool chest full of tools, you need to kind of know where, hey, where are the pliers? Are the pliers here? No. Are the pliers here? No. Are they here? Oh, there's my pliers. So it's really important to be efficient as you're looking for things, so you're just not searching and searching. So Olsa Tools sent me their aluminum magnetic emblems, and they are awesome. So what I want to do is I want to get them all organized here and get them onto on the tool chest. As you can see, they're magnetic, so they just stick. And I can open it up and have everything listed here, and it will help me find things a lot easier. So let me do this. Let me put these all together on my tool chest, and maybe a few of my drawers here where I've got some power tools and stuff there. So that way you can see what they look like, and it'll also just be a good representation of how you should be very organized on your tools. So as you're working on your daily projects or side projects or whatever it might be, you'll know exactly where everything's at. All right, guys, so let me get all this together. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. But man, these things are great. They have good weight to them. They stick well. As you can see, they're really pretty perfect, and you can tell they were designed very, very well. All right, let me get them onto my tool chest and to my cabinets, and then we'll check it out and see what the end result looks like. All right, guys, so here we go. So the very top is my ratchets with SAEs, metrics, extensions, and sockets. To the left here, we have wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and then to the right, torque, miscellaneous tools, hammers, pry bars, and some electrical stuff. And more electrical stuff is down here, but I've only got one. So as you can see here, ratchets and all that. We open this up, and there's all my ratchets. Olsa Tools, some extensions here from them. I got a bunch of sockets, all their 3-row socket, magnetic socket holders that Olsa Tools has sent over for me to review. And then my wrenches here, I've got, of course, using all Olsa Tools organizers. And you'll see here, I still am working on this one, but here we go. And then if you go to my screwdrivers, there's my screwdrivers, and pliers. There's my pliers. As you can see, here's my torque wrenches, and some pry bar or some torque bars here, and then miscellaneous little types of tools and stuff, and Allen wrenches and all that, hammers and pry bars and all that. That's all here. And then my electrical, which is just wires and all kinds of fun stuff. And then if you walk over here, I've got my power tools and impact wrenches here. Got all that here. And then I've got more of them here, more power tools. And then my air tools, I got some air tools in here. And then there's these just more kind of power tools and stuff that are down there. But that is it. So for me, I can now look or if a friend's over helping me out, they don't have to ask what drawer it's in. They can just see everything and go from there. So I am completely excited about Olsa Tools and their aluminum magnetic emblem organizers. I think they look good. So go to olsatools.com. I'll leave a link below so you can pick out and purchase some really cool ways to make your toolbox more organized and more efficient. All right, guys, till the next video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. That's always the drill, and God bless.